Welcome to gPhotoShow. In this video you will learn how to install gPhotoShow. gPhotoShow is an easy-to-use slideshow maker and screensaver that enables you to create your personal photo slideshows that can be played as screensaver or shared as a standalone executable. Let's start by installing gPhotoShow. I have downloaded the installer here on the desktop. Now I double-click on the installer and proceed with the installation. The installer can create some icons on your desktop. In addition, it can automatically start Ctrl+S, a small utility, to enable or disable the screensaver and perform some other useful tasks. This utility displays an icon in the Windows tray, so you can have its functions available when you need them. After installation is complete, Ctrl+S is started and the gPhotoShow help is displayed, so you can take a look at the quick tutorial to see how to configure the screensaver.